I cried and cried and cried in the dark. You see, my heart turned cold. I blocked out the very people who have always used and abused me. They even try imitating my very essence just to boost their ego. Their lies on my names, and still, I never fold. Many secrets were kept just to destroy my reputation. Truth be told, these naysayers got nothing left below. I'm born to inherit the throne. The gifts I have can't be put on hold. Brace yourself. The one you try to come against is the treasure hidden in plain sight. You see, I'm the gold.